This is Vinay, and I want to dedicate some my critical, analytical, and personal feeling of my life. I have well experience about my personal as well as familiar or general life of everything. I always think that I have some feelings, I have some thought which is always right to prove every facts. I have well experience, I have well knowledge, I have well thought in my opinion. But sometimes when I face the difficult situation of life, I realize that the feelings which I feels is not as obvious as I read in books or I experienced in my general life. People always used to cheat you according to one's benefit or her profits, but you have to always dedicate your thought, will, feelings according to your thought. Never forget, never left your thought. What is the condition? Who is against you or who is favoring you? It's not big issue. It's not big matter. What are you doing? But get a great and big confirmation regarding your goal, dedication, target, aim, what you desired. It's not matter who says what, but it's a big matter that what say you, what you say. Always conform on your, always determined on your thought, feelings, and activities. Never sacrifice your feeling, thoughts, or activities for anyone, for any society, for great thoughts formed by people, society, family, and whatever person who around us. But it's a great thing to dedicate your thought for yourself. Never feel guilty to your thought. There are so many kinds, so many ways to live your life, and what you think is always right in your view, and your opinion will be never be wrong. So get confirmation, get confirm in your thought, in your opinion. Just believe in yourself and do what you want to do. Thank you. It's Vinay, just telling you my personal feeling, opinion, and thought, what you want to assume and what you want to do. Just thought it, think it, and get it. Every plan which you think, conform in short terms, change in short terms, and try to get confirmation, try to make it in real form, and you will see that it will be converted in reality. Thank you for listening, watching, and carrying me. Jai Hind.